to today's vlog. Literally just woke up. Today I'm doing a day in my life. I need to go out and run some errands, aka I need to go to Ulta again. I want to go to Homegoods. So that's what's on the list for today. Also, I'm gonna get this hair together. Today's day in the life is sponsored by Garnier. So I'm gonna retouch my roots a little bit, just retouch my color using the same hair dye that I've been using by them. So I'm gonna take some time this morning. I woke up pretty early, so I have a lot of time on my hands to get that done, get myself actually ready and cute for the day. Just doing a little self-care before I get the day started. So it's time to get up and it's time to get the day started. So right now my hair is pretty stretched out because, as you guys saw in the beginning, I had my hair in a bun. So to touch up my roots, I'm using the Garnier Nutrice Nourishing Color Cream. In the box, Garnier gives you everything that you are going to need to dye your hair. They give you gloves, they give you every single step. So you first start off with step A and B. You put the color into the developer, and then you do step C, which is all the good stuff, all the oils. So that has avocado oil, olive and shea oils, which help to moisturize your hair, nourish your hair. And for me, speaking very honestly, anytime I use their hair color, I find that my hair always feels a lot healthier than it did before touching up my hair. I personally have never experienced my hair feeling dry or damaged or brittle after using their hair dye. So that's why I really love it. But on top of that, their formula is also non-drip. So it makes it super easy to apply. You're not going to get hair dye everywhere. And their hair dye also has 100% gray coverage. If you want shiny, luscious, vibrant hair, make sure to shop the Garnier Nourishing Color Cream down below in the description box. And once again, thank you to Garnier for sponsoring today's vlog. All right, we made it out the house. First stop, Ulta again. I feel like I was just there. But I want to go in and get a new shade of my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. The one that I have is 35N, but I need to get one lighter to carve out my brows because I've noticed that it carves them out well, but it blends right in with my skin tone, and I want something that highlights a little bit. So I'm gonna see if they have something a little bit lighter. I was like starting to get excited because I was like, it's August, and August means like fall's around the corner. And for some reason, I feel like fall fashion for me is a lot better than summer fashion, but I like the summer weather better. Anyway, I was excited because I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get to do some shopping for some clothes and stuff. I looked at the weather and it's gonna be hot. And I think it's gonna be like last year in August, September, even getting into October, it was still super, 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 super hot here. So I'm just kind of like, man, I kind of was excited to get into fall looks at the end of this month. I still might, but I don't know. It's looking a little hot. Let me see if they have it. And I haven't even ate. I'm probably gonna go to Chick-fil-A, to be honest. Oh, they do have the travel size. I think I'm gonna get the big size too. Might as well, since I'm already here. All right, let's go. Okay, made it back. So this is what I ended up getting. It is so hot, so hot. Okay, I got the concealer in shade 24S. So I had, no, 34S. I had 35N, but I swatched 35N next to this one, and it seems like this one's going to be a pretty good shade. I was going to go lighter, but it seems like this one was going to be fine for my eyebrows and for my under eyes. And then I just got my makeup removers. Now I'm going to go grab food because I'm hungry. From there, though, I want to go to HomeGoods because in my last vlog I was talking about how I want to go to HomeGoods to look for stuff to decorate that table. I decided I think I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna see what I can find to decorate it, and then I'm gonna see if I still feel like it's a little bit too big for the space, or if I want to just keep it, write it out until I decide to move. So we're gonna go get Chick-fil-A, Homegoods, Target, and I think that's it. I wanted to go do some work, but I don't know if I'm gonna have time. There's a Homegoods here, but there's not a Chick-fil-A here, and I want Chick-fil-A before I go to Homegoods because I'm starving. You are not paying attention, lady. They almost hit that car. Is this a parking spot in the shade in the front? Right in the front of Target? Yes, it is. It is. That's how you know. We have our Chick-fil-A in the passenger seat. We got a good parking spot at Target. I'm about to eat my food in the parking lot of Target. That's like the best location. So at Chick-fil-A, I got a number 1 no pickles Chick-fil-A sauce and ketchup with a Sunjoy extra ice. That is my lunch for today, and I'm not ashamed. Am I the only one that has like the hardest time opening these ketchups? Like, I know it has a tear on it, but I just always tear it wrong. Always. Like, legit. I cannot open it. Oh, there you go. Goodness gracious. I'm gonna be good at Target and only go in for what I need, which is cranberry juice. And what else? Baby lotion. Made it back home, changed to something cozy, and I found a few things. I was a little disappointed at HomeGoods, I can't even lie. I found just a few trinkets, but I think I'm gonna look at things that I already have to add to there. So I found a vase. I'm gonna put these stunning flowers in that vase. Well, let me just show you actually what's in here. We're just gonna chill on the floor. Very first thing that I found is this vase. It's heavy and it's perfect. It's a nice size. I like that it's round. I like that it comes in at the top because that means I don't have to use as many flowers to put in here. So yeah, found this at HomeGoods, and I don't know how much it was. Oh, right here. It was $12.99. The size is perfect. It's kind of like as big as my head. So I'm gonna use this vase to put those flowers in and put on the table. I found a candle, a black candle, just as bold. The scent of this is, doesn't say, but it's like more musky. It smells good. Very, it smells good. Telling you guys to smell it. It smells good. It's like a, yeah, like a masculine, musky scent. And then the other thing that I found is this. Now, this isn't for the table, obviously, but for my makeup, which I'm gonna organize for you guys right now. I currently have it on this other thing. I'm gonna roll it out here. It's so dingy. So it's this rolling cart here that I got at Michael's probably about a year and a half ago, and you can tell when I let it go, it's like lopsided. This is holding all of my makeup, and I want to condense my makeup. I don't want to have a lot of it. I just want to minimize it. I don't really use as much makeup products, as many makeup products as I used to before. I used to love having a huge collection. Now I'm just like, I just want what I need and a few little extra things. So I want to minimize this to this. This has 4, and then it has drawers. This is only $24.99, which is like crazy and expensive. So I'm hoping that everything will fit in here, because this, it just takes up too much space in my closet. It doesn't even make sense. And a lot of these drawers aren't even like fully filled up. So I'm gonna see what I can do to fit it all here. This is it for right now, just for now. So I want to get a diffuser, like the diffuser sticks and the little liquid thing. I want to get one of those for putting it maybe next to this or something. Like I want to add something here still and over on this side. Like I still want to do something, but I think for right now, there's an ant. I think for right now, this is fine. It just adds a little something to the living room. I don't know what else to add. Like I can add a little trinket right here or something, you know? But I pulled these coffee table books from my bedroom because I had them in there. I like that the greenery adds a little something. I do want to fix this. I want to fold this blanket. I guess that's fine. I don't know. That'll do. I just feel like it looked a little... Yeah, that doesn't... that doesn't even make much of a difference, but... Oh, well. I just don't want it to be, like, laid out on the side. Anyways, I really like how this looks. We'll see what I end up adding. Oh, I bought some coasters from Amazon. They come in tomorrow though. They're like these round coasters so that if we want to put our drinks on there or whatever, I don't have to worry about water stains because this is concrete. So I'm gonna probably put those coasters here or scoot this over a little bit, put it next to there. But slowly but surely. And I like that the black ties in with the ottoman, the black candle ties in with the ottoman, and then it ties in with the coffee table book that I have up there. The concrete goes with the concrete decor that I have over here. And so I'm trying to make it tie together without it being extremely matchy, you know, like not too monochromatic, not too black and white, just like a mixture of grays, blacks, greens, beiges, warms, cools, like all of that. So next up here is organizing this makeup.